Okay, carry it. Hang on. Oh, boy, you need the outstretch card.
I'll hold it. Be careful.
Okay. She's so big down.
Oh, you dropped it. Penelope.
Let her pick it up. Thank you.
Hurry, hurry! This squirrel's gonna get them.
Look, you guys. Let's go toward the tree.
She said, "Cheese."
Penelope, look. Look at that.
There's one there.
Run over there. Tree.
There's one behind you, Penelope. Put in your basket. Put in your basket. Wow, it's chocolate. Okay, get more eggs so the more chocolates you'll have. Come on. Oh no, the eggs are going away. Hurry up, Chloe. Leave that alone. Just put it in a basket.
I found another one. They're going to put together.
It's okay, we can fix it later, Chloe.
I can't fix it.
It's okay, just get more.
I can't fix it.
Show her
just
what's
get more.
inside of the egg.
Just get more.
Show her what's inside the eggs.
Oh,
And
here. Look.
Chloe, go.
Chocolate.
Poopsie, here, give it to her. Chloe, I get it. Go get more. Go get more eggs.
Chocolate.
I found a blue one. Look. Grandma.
Oh, looky. What color is it?
Green.
Green.
no, what color is that? She's not looking.
Hey, that's mine.
Green.
She's not even looking.
Oh, your egg's over here. Chloe, your basket's over here.
Did she get, where's the chocolate? Did she drop, oh, she dropped it. Here.
We'll fix it later.
We'll fix it later. Here. Here's now. Look, here's another one. They're taking 2 eggs. You've got to help. Okay. She's got to help. I mean, looky over there.
Jeez, it's cold. I am cold.
Can you go grab an egg?
What is that?
Penelope, don't trip over this though.
Water tank?
Come on, sweetie.
Drop it.
Come here.
Huge.
Here. Careful. Here, come this way. There. Good job. Okay. Go get, here, Grandpa. Here comes Penelope.
Does your parents have the same one too, or is Terry?
I think I got one too.
You got one too? Like that big?
Yeah, it's about that big.
Oh, isn't that huge?
Okay.
Look how warm it is.
Because I don't think we have that big
Can you get
Where?
it?
in Chicago.
Pick it out?
They don't have them in Chicago. It's only in the
Good
countryside.
job.
Oh, really?
Yay. Good girl.
Yeah.
Wanna hold it?
Because they don't have natural gas out here.
Oh, they don't?
No.
That's weird.
What's that weird?
Walk here, is it?
You guys are in the countryside.
Huh? Look, Chloe's way out there.
Penelope, here. Here.
She's gonna...
Huh?
Cat.
Poopsie doesn't know what to
Get
do.
that one?
I don't know.
She thinks it's work.
Good job.
You got lots of eggs, Chloe.
Where's the other basket? Somebody else got one? Where'd you leave?
Forward.
She picked up. Penelope, look. Penelope, oh.
Put it in your basket, Chloe.
Behind you.
Oh, you're behind me. Oh, my goodness.
Where'd that come from?
Where did it come from? That's right.
Hey, Amir, I found another one.
You got one too?
Oh boy.
Yay, good job.
I got two.
All right.
gosh, there's one right there. Wow.
Hey, Tootsie. 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 Look. Look. Tootsie.
She's enjoying being outside.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Right.
Some more.
You did? Oh, there's a bunch of. That's cute.
She went for the help.
Isn't it sweet how Alex has got him
Uh-huh.
on that? That's an old.
Oh boy, a whole bunch of them. That must have been a bunny's nest.
This is a nice place for my family, you know, like so many kids, like 2 dozen of grandkids that my mom had.
Good. Good.
And there's a lot of places where you can hatch eggs.
Here, there's some over here. Come here, Penelope, over here. Penelope, come here.
Come on up here.
Go get it, go get it.
Here. Yeah, Penelope. Grandpa's got something spotted up here.
She's so lost.
Yeah.
Get it, get it, get it. Before it goes away.
Here, look.
Look over here. See him?
Can you get it?
Look out for the sticks.
How did Daddy ever?
Okay.
Yay!
Yeah. Is there another one?
Get that one?
Good job. Okay.
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 And then there's some more around this way. Get around there.
There. Good job. Oh, look. Looky here. Looky. You see some more? Look. Can you get that one? Wait, you're trying to walk it.
Got it.
Got it. Good job. And look, right over here. See another one?
Little legs won't get over that far.
There she did it,
Thank you.
Grandma.
Did a good job
Good
there.
job. All right. Oh, look. Over by Daddy. By Daddy.
She wants to follow Chloe.
Yeah.
She's here again.
Some over there.
Did you find some?
She said yes.
They'll be tired after this.
Don't forget.
Yeah.
That would be nice. So those three.
What?
Took the whole, you know.
You found more?
There's some more. There's some more over here. Oh, she sees some.
Oh boy.
Penelope, look. Penelope, look. What's that? Oh. Grandpa's got the basket. Thank you. Oh, there. Look. Up there. There's another one.
It just popped up everywhere.
There's another one. Oh.
Look, Grandma. Say hi to Grandma Louise.
Okay. Thank you.
What's over here?
Oh, and
Chloe, see?
Penelope, look.
Let's take pictures of them.
Penelope, look.
They're gonna take the video.
Oh,
Wow, you're finding lots of them. You're finding lots of eggs.
She knows she's got to walk over it.
Did you find them all, Chloe?
I don't think so. Oh.
Where?
Come on,
this way.
Oh, here, follow Grandpa.
Penelope, over here.
Here, follow Grandpa.
Over here. Come this way.
I don't think she can reach it.
This way.
It'd be fun to climb those stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep coming.
Over here.
Keep coming.
See it? I don't know where you can reach that one. There you go.
Okay. Oh, I think there might be some more down here. Okay, look out. You see another one? Up here. Look up here. Look, now look at Penelope.
Yay!
Oh. Good job. Good job.
Yeah, look around here. Penelope. Up here.
Oh, a blue one.
And a yellow.
You don't need that blue one. I think it rolls.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's oh, she got it. Uh-oh, look at the... Look! Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. There's some,
Some behind us here on the ground.
yeah. Thank you. Oh, Grandma dropped it. Can you get it?
Say hi to Grandma.
Thank you.
Chloe, say hi to Grandma. Grandma's right there.
Hiya,
She's,
behind you.
go get it before somebody else will take it.
It's going to be trouble.
Not bound to be trouble.
Yeah.
Penelope, look. Chloe, look.
Take a picture of it.
Hiya, some box of eggs.
Lots of eggs, yeah. Don't need to hold it for you so you can go look without spilling them.
Oh,
no.
look at Chloe, go look in that tree.
Look up in the tree. This tree here. The one in front of you. That one right there.
Do you see a tree right in front of you?
Right here. Down this way.
Oh.
Chloe, down this way.
Oh. There's it. Come on.
Okay.
I see something.
You see something? Penelope saw it too.
Wow, you're so tall.
Both saw that one.
Yeah.
You're so tall.
Yeah. We need to find some more.
We'll keep looking.
Right in the tree behind you.
Yep.
Tree behind it.
Did you guys already get the ones up? Oh, the tractor. We need to go over by the tractor. Come on, Sugar Lab. Let's go over by the tractor. Come on.
Did you get them all, Chloe? Uh-oh, you got one. I'll get it.
Look at it. That's just getting full.
Yeah, we'll get it.
I can get it.
There's another one up there. Chloe.
Look up on the porch. Chloe. Up on the porch.
Today,
What?
we're not done yet.
Okay.
Not done yet. Look up on the porch.
Come on, get them before somebody else will take them.
Come on.
Okay. Show me. Wow, you found it, huh?
Yeah.
Good job. You're good.
Yeah. From another way.
You're an expert.
Yeah, I'm an expert.
Say hello to Grandma. She's right there. Say hello to Grandma, Chloe.
No, there's another one.